Welcome back everyone. I look very tired. It's actually 7:47 in the morning and I'm off to take my car to get its timing belt done at S-Technic, if anyone knows where that is. I gotta go drop it off because my timing belt is due. Sadly, I gotta get it done. If you know how much it is, it's a lot of money to get it done for your car, which sucks, but it's gotta be done unless my engine is gonna blow up. I really don't want to have to do it, but we have to. So, treating you special today. You're gonna get a lot of new parts on you. Oh yeah, by the way, got a cool little anime sticker. Cool holographic one. Look at how it changes. I reckon it's pretty cool. Oh, it is freezing. Oh, it is so cold. Oh, I've got barely any fuel as well. Oh, that is so annoying. So yeah guys, today's going to be a pretty costly service. It is a major service, but it's better to get it done so I can finally get it out of the way. Oh, that person nearly just hit me. It's good to get it out the way so I can focus on car mods and other stuff that I can afford. But it's good for the car, keeps it safe, and gives me peace of mind. It's rush hour. Why did maps tell me to go this way? It should be smarter than this, to be honest. Oh, hello there. That is one clean Subi. There's a Subi like mine, a narrow body. There's a few Subis over there.
Fault code is. How are you going?
Good, thanks. How are you guys?
You've not been to us before?
No.
Okay. And that's a timing belt service and a water pump?
Yeah, the big one.
I emailed you a quote on it.
I think I got a quote on the phone. Okay. Yeah. So I think I know the biggie. Yeah.
So,
sadly.
Wednesday. Alright, leave it with us, mate. And we'll,
Thank you.
Right,
well, take care of it.
I'll give you a call as soon as it's finished.
Thanks guys. Have a good one.
I'm still waiting for tomorrow.
Damn, that thing's sick. Goodbye to my Subi. So sad. But, gotta get it done. Damn, we got some more Subis here. Damn. Oh, hold on, let's take a look at some Subis. Whew. Holy shit, they just keep on going. Got an STI. Dude, there's STIs everywhere. Damn. There's so many Subis here. I didn't realize this is how big their workshop was. That's crazy. Well, pretty sure my car's in safe hands then. Now I gotta wait out the front so my brother can pick me up, and another Subi just pulled up.
15 minutes later.
And he's here, finally. Oh, thanks for the taxi, mate.
Hello, Matt.
Two brothers find out they're gay lovers.
I'm always gay for you.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. I ain't got no car. I don't have to go to the gym today because I have 2 days off. And they said to pick it up around 3 or 2:30 and it's 9 o'clock. So for now I'm just gonna chill. I'll get back to you guys when I figured out what I'm doing. Well, I just got a call from the shop telling me that my radiator is on the way out and it needs replacing. I'm gonna be broke, guys. This sucks. But I guess it's good to get it done now because they said there's no extra labor. It's already out because they have to get to the timing belt. I guess it's the radiator, the same one that's been in there since the car was built, I'm assuming. I don't think it's ever been replaced. So good thing I got that done. Makes it a bit safer. I know it's a lot of money. It's now 2:30 and I've done pretty much nothing today, so I need to eat. Oh yeah. Yoink. Yeah, boy. Oh. Yeah. Yoink. Yeah. Ooh. A little more. Oh, there we go. Now, the herbs and spices. Yoink. And one. And oop. And one. Nice. First. And mix again. Yum. That looks so good. Okay, it's 3:24. My car is ready to be picked up at 3:45. It's that time. I'm going to go get my car and pay a fee of a lifetime. Yoink.
What's a healthy sexual? Well,
Hi. There she is, all ready to be picked up. Alright guys, we are back in the Subi. It's all paid for. We're all good to go. And I'm gonna head back home and I just want to chill. Well, first off, driving it feels a lot healthier. I can definitely tell the difference in how it feels, because they changed the radiator. That was probably really old, and my timing belt was pretty old as well. So I'm glad, even though it was a lot of money, I'm glad I got it done, because it gives me some peace of mind, and I can now focus on car mods instead of maintenance, which is good. What the fuck? I went to go pull up my handbrake and it's so much tighter. What the heck? I think they adjusted that or did something, and my clutch felt a bit heavier. Maybe my car just desperately needed the service. I'm gonna quickly open up the hood because I just want to see what the new radiator looks like. Plus, I need to get a thumbnail. Oh, I can definitely see a shiny new radiator in there. Damn. See, I could not imagine doing that all by myself. The amount of stuff you'd have to get rid of and take out is insane. But you see that shiny new radiator? That looks nice. So even I think maybe new piping, all of this is new. Pretty sure they gave it a clean because I've never seen it look that clean before. Oh, I'm sweating like crazy. Excuse what I look like right now. The sun was like directly in my face as I was driving home. So yeah, she's all back. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed me going to like drop off my car and then waiting and then coming back to pick it up. I thought it would be a cool little video, and I needed content to post for you guys because I haven't posted in, I think, over a week. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe down below. It really means a lot and really helps out the channel. And please hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. You guys are the best. I hope you guys are following along with the content and enjoying it. Please let me know if you do down below, because comments and all the feedback just gives me motivation, makes me feel a lot better. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Have an amazing rest of your day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.